Ostara, also known as the spring equinox, a time of balance, renewal, and new growth is finally here. Already the earth is abundant and beginning to wake up with all kinds of new blooms. While there's many different ways to honor and connect with the energies of the equinox, one of my favorite ways to welcome the energy into your home is to create a sun charm that honors this time of the year, helps to refresh your space, and helps to honor all of the energies and the magic of the sun. Here's what you're going to need to make your Ostara sun charm. Before we begin, go ahead and set your intention for what you would like this charm to bring to you, whether it's just honoring the energies of the equinox and welcoming it into your home, adding protection, bringing abundance, or whatever else. Throughout this whole process, I encourage you to weave your intention into each step to help you manifest it and bring it into your space. We're going to start first by slicing up some oranges and baking them until they're dried. You can also just buy dried oranges if you prefer from a local craft store. Symbolically, oranges are often connected to the sun and used on altars to represent such energy, and they also bring a lot of joy and vitality as well, so they are a wondrous thing to have on your charm, whether you're honoring the sun or just want to bring some positivity into your space. Next, you're going to want to poke a hole on each side of the orange. It doesn't have to be perfectly aligned on each side, but you're going to want to make sure the hole is big enough to fit twine through unless you're using smaller string or thread. About this size seems to work just fine. After that, simply weave the twine through one hole and out the other. For this, you're going to want to leave extra space at the top, for this one especially because we are going to be looping a hole on top so that it can hang, but you can also add this later on if you would like. Now, if you're going to add any other clippings or anything to the orange, now is the time to do it. You're going to want to tuck it underneath the twine on the back. And then we're carefully going to weave the twine back through and over again to secure the branches to it. You can also add additional twine if necessary to hold your clippings in place, but this method seemed to work just fine for me, so hopefully it works for you as well. Once you're done, it should look like this and be very secure. Next, we're going to take the flowers. Now with this part you need to be really careful because the flowers are very delicate, so take your time with this, but we're going to use our tool and poke a hole through the center. Once it's through, I'll wiggle it a little bit to ensure that the hole is big enough to fit the twine. Then we're going to take the twine and push it through on the back. I had a little bit of a struggle with this, so go ahead and use your tool to push it through if it won't go all the way through. But once you do that, it should slide on easily, and we're going to put this right underneath the orange. After that, we're going to repeat those same 3 steps over and over again until we are finished. Ostara is a beautiful time of the year full of many new energies and abundance. So I just want to say, if you're trying to achieve something, focusing on manifesting something, or working on something new, I am sending you lots of love and positive energy and luck for your journey. You're going to do great things, and I'm sure that you already are, and I believe in you fully. But I also want to say that if you're having a hard time this time of the year, maybe you're just feeling more tired or not up for any big ritual, that's okay too. There's nothing wrong with just taking time to take care of yourself as needed. This is why I am such a big advocate for low energy craft, because I feel like a lot of the times there's so much pressure to do big things, but truthfully you don't need to do anything big to connect with your craft, the earth, or yourself unless you want to. I feel like there can be a lot of pressure put on the different energy points of the year or the energy cycles for us to try to work on things and do more spells or rituals or whatever else and be productive, in other words. But I often find that a lot of the time, being the most productive is just listening to yourself and taking care of yourself, honoring your feelings and allowing yourself to feel what you need to feel at the time and just do what feels right for you. Truthfully, you can make a beautiful charm like this any time of the year, so please don't feel pressured to do it right now. Just do what feels right, and if all that is resting, or sitting in the sun, or journaling, or doing affirmations, that is enough, and that is valid. Lastly, I'm going to add a crystal to the bottom of mine, but you can add a pendant, a charm, or anything else, or just leave it as is. All I did for this part was simply tie it on with another piece of twine to make sure it was secure. And that is it. I hope your sun charm turned out beautifully, and please let me know what you're going to be up to for the equinox this year. I would love to hear how you're going to celebrate or what you're going to do to connect with the energy. I'm sending you all the love in the world, and I hope you have a wonderful and blessed Ostara.